In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a crypto account on the Webull app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load into the app like you normally would, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says markets. Then in this top menu, please go ahead and select on crypto, but obviously we have other things like options, futures, ETFs, etc. So select on crypto and now just click on any coin or asset that you want to invest in. So let's say Bitcoin, and then you'll notice that we're actually going to get a button over here in the bottom left that says open account. And you just want to go ahead and press on that just like so. Now, if you already are a Webull Pay customer, then just select on yes, link my account, and then you should be good to go and you're able to go ahead and begin trading crypto on the Webull app. However, if you don't have it, do not worry. You just want to press on no, open a new account. Okay, then you need to confirm your personal information, make sure that it is correct, then press on the blue button on the bottom that says next. Then you will need to go ahead and verify your ID. So once again, press on next. To verify your ID, you are going to need your phone camera and you need to scan your ID, and then afterwards you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and begin doing this. And I'll be right back with you guys once I scan my ID, and then afterwards it might ask you to like scan your face. So please be prepared to do that. Make sure that you do everything in good lighting so that the app is actually able to identify that it's you, but just press on continue. All right, once you verified your account, it is then going to say successfully verified. So go ahead and press on finish in order to complete. And then afterwards, it is going to make you do this questionnaire. So go ahead and just fill out this questionnaire right over here. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. Then you will need to type in your e-signature. So please go ahead and do that and then press on submit in order to confirm everything. All right, then it is going to submit your application in order to get approved for a crypto account, and you need to wait a little bit in order for it to be processed, and usually you should be good to go as long as your ID and your selfie actually do match up to make sure that it's actually you who's opening the crypto account. But then afterwards you'll be good to go, and then you'll be able to go ahead and begin trading crypto. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.